Hey guys, I'm Shawn coming at you from Waco, Texas. Today I'm going to teach you how to play David Gray's Babylon on the piano. Let's take a listen. All right, so that's a guitar part we're going to learn on piano. There's also some piano in it that we're going to learn as well. But hey guys, welcome to our online piano community at webpianoteacher.com, where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to learn piano online. You can do it if you pick the right lessons and you know how to practice. I'm going to help you to do that right now. Let's get to it. All right, so this is a guitar opening right here. There's also some piano in there, so I'm kind of going to merge all of it together to make it a pleasing piano solo arrangement for you. All right, so this is the part one that we do on Facebook and YouTube, and the rest of the lessons for it will be on the website for members. Also, if you're a member, one of the perks is you can download the sheet, so that's always a great thing to do, to be able to practice, to put it up here on a screen and zoom in or zoom out according to your needs. All right, let's get to it. Getting to the board here. I do have a quiet MP11 SE in the studio today. Just have it on the concert, or actually I have the pop piano sound here. Let's see what the concert sounds like. Kind of like that too. I'll go back to the pop one here. Okay, so this is the guitar part that you hear at the beginning. Then you hear the piano come in with kind of an echo thing, and we'll do that as well, okay? But guitar things work on piano if you handle them well. And so let's do this. G down here on the left hand, middle C, next C down, here's the G we want. Play that first, and then we're going to come in with this. Okay, on the right hand, D and F together with 2 and 4. We're going to go up to E flat, back down to D. So da-da-da, and the F is just held on top with your 4th finger. So it's bum, and then you come in with the E flat there on the left with your 2 finger, and then the right hand does an A flat, E flat. As you're holding that over, then we'll go to A flat there. So it's 1. I kind of like to sneak an E flat in there too. So after you hit that A flat, the right hand has C, E flat with 2, 4, and then I play G, B flat, D with 1, 2, 3. So I'm holding that over. I come in with the left hand again with G and E flat. So from the beginning, 1, 2. So, and 1. So G and E flat there, and then you do this again. This time when you hit to the B flat, you'll hit the E flat on the left hand as well, and back up to E flat on the right hand, and back to A flat and E flat on the left, C, E flat. So this is exactly what I hear on the guitar part. If I play that, and that sounds good, but if I want to, do a little more maybe, and I'm playing it on piano in a concert or something, just by myself, I might play a little more than that. Just kind of vamping, and I'm playing the notes that I'm already on a little more, just kind of filling it out a little bit. All right, so it's back and forth between that E flat major 7 and the A flat major 7. Very neat. All right, so there is our part 1. If you like that, there's a lot more on the website. We finish it, of course, all the way through to the end. And there are a lot of other lessons on the website as well that you can do. I have been doing this for about 13, 14 years, so there's plenty of lessons on there for everyone, all genres, all types of music. See you on webpianoteacher.com. Talk to you later.